How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression as well as a setup of this RGB monitor light. Now this is by Quntis and it has really nice features. Let's go ahead and unbox this and have a closer look. So this is the box. On the front over here it does have some features that I just point out. So it does have a memory function. It has blue light reduction. It has a 45-degree angle of light. It also has brightness controls, temperature controls, and also RGB. So let's go ahead and unbox it. On the back over here, you have the specifications, as you can see, and you also have some point outs. So you can use this with thin monitors. One of the other lights that I got didn't work really well with the OLED monitor because this monitor is very slim. So we'll see how this works. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Okay, so you have the instructions booklet. You have the light. Now this is a very well built device. Let me call this off. Now you have the light, as you can see. And you have the Type-C cable, and you have an Allen wrench or something. You have a Type-C cable for power. Now, let's see how long this cable is. So this is approximately 1.5 meters. If you're going to plug this on top of the monitor, that should be okay. So let's take a closer look. Now you will see actually it does have this little wall punch out over here, and that's if your monitor has a camera, or if you use this on a laptop, then that's not going to block your webcam. That's pretty nice. So it has it's very heavy duty. This is the 40 centimeter version, and this goes all the way around. On the back over here you can see the Type-C port. That's where you plug this light into. So this takes 7.5 watts from the Type-C port, and it does 255 lumens, which is very nice. And now on the side over here you have the RGB button over here, as you can see, and on the other side you have the power button. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So I'm just going to plug the Type-C port in, Type-C cable into here. There we go. So it also has a grip over here. So this is going to go on the back of the monitor. And I'm actually going to just plug this in and try to see what it's like first. Oh wow, that's pretty nice. That's the RGB. I'll underexpose that. Okay, so according to the instructions, you double press it to change the brightness, and it has 5 levels of brightness. And one press is turning off, and then you also hold it down to change the temperature, so it goes cooler, and then it goes warmer if you hold that down. Now let's look at the RGB. Short press to change the RGB modes. It has 10 static colors, including warm and white and warm light, 15 different dynamic modes. If you long press this, it turns the RGB off. Okay, let's go ahead and set this up. I'm gonna move the monitor closer. Okay, the back of the monitor is dusty because I've never moved it. But let's go ahead and clamp this on. So it just sits over here. So on the front you can see it lines up with the monitor, and then from the back you just push that down. Now if you need to adjust the tension on the clamp, you do have the Allen wrench, but as you can see, it has the rubber feet, and that seems to be working on this OLED monitor. Let me just go ahead and turn the RGB on. Okay, let's turn the light, video light off. I'll take the camera off the tripod to show you that. So as you can see, it's actually very nice and bright. On the back, the RGB is nice as well, and you can change the design on it. You can change the different lighting effects. So it goes through different lights, RGB, different modes, different dynamic modes, and there are quite a bit actually. Let me go and move the monitor back. Okay, there it is, and it does light up the desk. Now this does reduce eye strain if you work in the dark like I do. I'm a vampire, so this does help with that. And it is very bright and it's very nice, and the RGB is pretty nice. You can hold it and turn it off as well. And you do have static colors, I believe, as well. Yeah, so these are static colors right at the end. And I think that's back to the beginning. Yeah, it's wild. That's pretty nice. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.